Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I already got my heat on 5, which is medium, and we finna cook some fries. Those fries, we actually have a local fast food place called Checkers, and they sell their fries in the grocery store. And I'm really not a big fan of these fries. They are good. My husband, he likes them way more than I do, but I prefer the crinkle fries. But today we're gonna eat these. And I'm probably gonna put a little bit more in here because like I said, I know my husband, he really likes this kind, so yeah, we're gonna put a little bit more in there for him. Take this. You got it? Shout out to my husband for being a good sport and helping me with this part. Cause he was in the middle of his 2K game, and when he in his own, he in his own. For y'all who have husbands or boyfriends, y'all understand, y'all know how they are with Call of Duty and 2K. All right, all I'm finna do right here is just peel the tail off of them and clean them. These shrimp you can get from your local Walmart, or it don't even have to be this kind. You can get any kind of shrimp, but I just so happen to pick this kind. But all I'm finna do is pick the tail off and clean them. And yes, please make sure you wash your hands when you're dealing with any kind of meat or seafood. I just realized y'all getting a lot of, what is it, ASMR in this video? And I'm just doing a little sanitizing since I did wash the shrimp off in the sink and I did touch the handles. To the fun part. This is the Zatarain shrimp fry mix. I absolutely love it. You should try it if you haven't. I promise you won't go back to anything else. It does say a half a cup of water and a half a cup of mix for the kind of like a wet then dry type of thing, because even though you're mixing this, you're still gonna coat it in this same seasoning. And since it does say seasoned, I'm not going to be seasoning my shrimp at all because it really does not need it. And y'all, all I'm doing right here is just pouring the rest of the seasoning mix on some foil. That way I can just dip it in the wet mix and then coat it in the seasoning. It's gonna be so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't had the Zatarain seasoning mix, I'm trying to put y'all on. Go get it. How many of y'all looking at my pickles in the background? I see you. Y'all must thought I was playing. Y'all see how good them shrimp look, right? Just tell me, don't be scared. This is actually my husband's plate. He likes to eat it with the tiger sauce. But that's a wrap for this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all next time.